All right, welcome. We are going to look at Algebra 1, first unit, Algebra Foundations, and this skill, combining like terms with negative coefficients and distribution. A little review on distribution. Distribution is distribution of multiplication over addition is the full title, but we shorten it to distribution. It looks like this in general. Some number A, or variable A, times B plus C. To distribute, this is multiplication, A times the sum. We would multiply A times each of the terms inside the parentheses. So this is equal to A times B plus A times C. That would be like if you go to the store and buy a package that has a pencil and a pencil sharpener in it. If B is your pencil and C is your sharpener, then the number of those packages that you buy is going to determine the number of pencils and sharpeners you end up purchasing. So if you bought 3 packages and in that package there were 2 pencils and 1 sharpener, then in the end you would get 3 times as many of the pencils in the package. Every package contains 2 pencils, so you get 3 times 2 pencils, that's 3 times 2p, and you'd get 3 times as many sharpeners as there are in each package. There's 1 sharpener in each package, so 3 times 1c, or 3 times c, just c, and that would mean, if you simplify, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. So this is an example. So if you bought 3 packages of these pencil sharpeners and pencils and sharpeners, where you get 2 pencils and 1 sharpener, in the end you would have 3 times as many. If you bought 3 packages, you'd have 3 times as many pencils, so that's a total of 6 pencils, and you would have 3 times as many sharpeners, which would be 3 sharpeners. Okay, so that's the distributive property. We're going to use that in these problems. Here's our first one. We've got 4 times some stuff in parentheses, so we distribute. 4 times negative 15 minus 4 times 3p minus 4, so we're going to subtract 4 times negative p, and we're also going to subtract 4 times positive 1. Positive 5. Alright, so 4 times negative 15 is negative 60. Minus 4 times 3p is 12p. Minus 4 times a negative, so subtracting a negative is addition, so we're going to add 4p. Then we have subtracting 4 times 5 is subtracting 20. Now we can combine like terms. I've got negative 12p plus 4p, that's negative 8p. And I've got negative 60 minus 20, that's negative 80, and we're done. We've got to look for this on our list. Negative 8p minus 80, that's our first choice. It says choose one answer, that's it. Next problem. This one says 2 times negative 2 minus 4p, so that's 2 times negative 2, and 2 plus 2 times negative 4p. Then we have we'll just do the first part first, so let's simplify that. That's 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, plus 2 times a negative is subtraction. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 times p. So this is our first term here. And then we're going to add to that 2 times negative 2p and 2 times negative 1. 2 times negative 2p is negative 4p. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And now I can combine like terms. Negative 8p's minus 4 more is negative 12p. Negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. So we should find that on our list. Oh, it happens to be A again. And our last problem on this set, 6 times 5r minus 11. So that's 6 times 5r minus 6 times 11. Why is that? Because it's a positive 6 times a negative 11, so that's a negative whatever 6 times 11 is, okay? So negative 6 times 11. I'm just showing you that you can think through these problems in a variety of ways. You don't have to do it the same way every time necessarily. Then we're going to subtract. Now look at this. This is interesting. We're subtracting everything in the parentheses. There's a hidden 1 here. We're subtracting 1 of these. We had 6 of this group of things. We have 1 of that group, and we're taking them away. Okay? So we're taking away the 5, subtract 5, and we're taking away negative r. Subtracting a negative is addition. And now we can do multiplication to simplify this and this. So 6 times 5r is 30r. 6 times 11 is 66. Remember, it's subtraction here. And then minus 5 plus r. And now I can combine like terms. 30r's plus 1r is 31r. Negative 66 minus 5 is negative 71. Let's see if that's on our list. Looks like 31r minus 71 is B, and we will be done.